Now that we know how to log into the platform and navigate a little bit around, I'm going to do a deeper dive into the individual sections. The first one that we're going to look at is courses. So in the courses tab, we can see all of the individual courses that are assigned to your instructor profile. There's some filtering options up here in the middle, and I'm just going to change the view here. So there's some filtering options here in the middle. Right now I've selected all of the courses, so all of the courses that are currently available in my profile I can view. If I wanted to take a look at my upcoming courses, I can filter to just those. And because this course is set to start tomorrow, it's showing up under the upcoming courses. If I go to running, that course will disappear because it's not actually currently running. But if I did have currently running ones, it would appear there. If I had any courses in my profile that I've previously completed, they would show up here under ended. So I'm just going to go back to all for a moment here. And while we're looking at this tab, I know that I've got it selected. If it's not selected, just click on it. But I know that this is the one selected because it's got the teal border around it. If I had multiple courses, they would just be listed here off to the right. And if I had many, it would make a carousel and you could select through those just like down here with the little arrows on the side, and you'd be able to move through it. That would be the same up here. So back to the app development course here. There's three little buttons in the upper right-hand corner on this tile, as well as a little summary of information. So I can see that there's 2 learners enrolled in this course. It has a total of 5 modules, which align with the modules underneath here, and it has a total of about 15 hours of content. If I click on these 3 dots, I can do a couple of things. I can edit the round. So a round is a version of the course. It just means it has a set number of students enrolled in it with a set start and end date. So this is the round of this course. Right now it's scheduled to start on January 27th, 2023. And right now I have it set so that each module is expected to take a week. You can change this. You can change it to 2 weeks or a month if you wish to do that. But I'm going to leave it as a week just so we can see it later on the calendar. If we start on the 27th and end on March 3rd, that's automatically set because of the week distribution for those 5 modules. So if we made any changes, we can hit the save button. It'll update everything for us and we can continue. All right, so I'm just going to close that. And the second option down here was learner progress. So I'm going to click on that. And if we go in here, we can actually see all of the learners that are currently enrolled in this course. There's 2 listed here. We can see how many missions they have completed, so the percentage and the exact number. As they progress through this course, you'll see this progress bar slide over to the right as those missions are completed. You'll also see their experience points go up. These are awarded based on how many attempts it takes them to complete the various missions. If I know the name of a specific learner, then I can type that. So let's put in my name. Let's see how I'm doing. So it filters down to all of the Nicoles. And of course, I haven't started yet in my student profile, so I'm at 0% complete and I don't have any experience points. If I want to export this, I can select that and then click the Export CSV button, and it'll just pop up a window explorer for you if you're using Windows Computer, and you can pick a spot to save that file, and then you can open it with Excel or whatever you want to use to look at that data. I can also look at the details for this course. So here are the 5 modules that are in this course and how many missions are in each one of these. And we can look at how many learners have completed this. So 0 out of 3 total people have completed this program in this profile. Okay, so let's go back to our courses. And we talked about filtering the courses, how to modify the course, and view the progress of the individual learners. And finally, underneath here, these tiles are the actual content of the course. So to see what's in Module 1, just click on that tile. It'll bring up a new window here. It'll move all those modules up to the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from left to right again. And now we can see all of those missions that are associated with this first module. So we usually start with lessons. We cover the content that's going to be introduced in the theme of that module, and then we jump right into giving the learner some practice. So we have different mission types like editors and scroll over here a little bit, quizzes, different types of ways of interacting with material. And inside of the lessons, there's built-in questions that the learners have to answer before they can move on. And so there's multiple ways that the students are interacting with the content and learning that material. If you do have additional material that you wish to share with your learner from the platform, you can load it directly here. So just go to Materials and then click on Upload Your File, and it'll allow you to find the file that you'd like to upload, and then it will be available to all of the learners registered to this course, this version of the course, and it'll be available on their individual logins through the platform. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to courses here, and in this little video, I introduced you to the courses tab. I showed you where all of the individual courses are available and how to filter through your running and upcoming and ended courses, as well as how to look at the various rounds and how to edit that start and end date or the timing if you need to, and look at the individual learner progress. Additionally, we looked at the tiles that show the different modules and their associated content. In the next videos, we'll take a look at some of the other features on the platform.